Some of you might be experiencing Roblox issues such as this one. Now, if you are one of these people, just know that this isn't just you, it is everyone. There are, as of posting of this video, 86 known people just from this website that have it. So just so you know, Roblox is down and it's having issues. And if you are one of those people, just know that it is recovering soon. As you can see with this spike right here, there are less people having it. Now, granted, there are a whole bunch more people just receiving it after this, but they're doing their best. If you are one of these people that are having these issues, please go to this website, link in the description, and go when you click this button, and then do that, and then that's it, basically. Another thing is when you go to Roblox, go to help, and then go down to contact us, and then go to support form, and basically fill out the details here. And to help speed up the process, you might want to if you put in the same whether the email that you put in here is linked to your account or not, so that they don't have to look it up.